Hello children, good morning. How are you all doing? Very good. Are you all ready for today's class? So shall we start? Okay. Children, today I'm going to teach you a new rhyme. What is teacher going to teach you today? A new rhyme. And before we start with a new rhyme, children, I want you all to tell me how many fingers do we all have in our hands? How many fingers do we have, children? We have 10 fingers, isn't it? 5 fingers in the right hand and 5 fingers in the left hand. So altogether we have 10 fingers. Shall we count and see? Come on, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 fingers. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many fingers do we all have, children? 10 fingers, isn't it? Yes. And you all small children have 10 tiny fingers, isn't it? Your fingers are so small, tiny, isn't it? Yes. So what you all children will say? You will say, I have 10 tiny fingers. What will you say? I have 10 tiny fingers. Isn't it? So children, the name of our rhyme today is 10 tiny fingers. What is the name of a rhyme? 10 tiny fingers. So children, teacher will first say the rhyme. You will only listen. Okay? And after that, we will say it together. Okay? Okay. Now listen. Title of the poem is 10 Tiny Fingers. 10 tiny fingers, 10 tiny toes. Come on, all of you bend and touch your toes. Very good. 2 little ears. All of you touch your ears. Very good. And 1 little nose. We all have one nose, isn't it? Yes. 2 little eyes that shine so bright. And 1 little mouth to kiss mummy good night. Did you all like the poem, children? Yes. Very nice, isn't it? The poem is. Okay. Now you all repeat after me. Okay. Title of the poem is 10 Tiny Fingers. 10 tiny fingers, 10 tiny toes, 2 little ears and 1 little nose, 2 little eyes that shine so bright and 1 little mouth to kiss mummy good night. Very good, children. Now we all will say it together once more. Okay? Title of the poem is 10 Tiny Fingers. 10 tiny fingers and 10 tiny toes. 2 little ears and 1 little nose. 2 little eyes that shine so bright and one little mouth to kiss mummy. Good night. Very good, children. So did you enjoy the poem? Very good. Now children, it's time for some activity. You all like to do activity, isn't it? Yes. So shall we start with our today's activity? Okay. Children, our today's activity is finger dabbing. Okay. So for that you need a white paper and watercolors. I have taken one blue color and one green color. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to dip my thumb into this blue color like this. Okay. And I'm going to just give a thumbprint here like this. Okay. Then after that I'm going to dip my index finger in the green color. Okay children, and now this I'm going to dab it here on the top. On the top of this blue color I'm going to dab it here like this. Okay. Same way I'm going to dab one here and one here and one here like this. Okay. Repeat the same thing on the top row like this, like this, see children, this is how it looks. I have done the third row also with the help of my finger. Okay. And since we have used watercolors, give it some time for it to dry. Okay. Once it is dried, you can take a black sketch pen. Okay. And can you see this thumbprint that we have done with blue color? Okay. Now here I am going to draw eyes. Okay. I am just going to draw eyes like this. Then I am going to draw a nose. Like this. Okay. Now I am going to draw legs. See children, what does it look like? It looks like a peacock, isn't it? Yes. So with the help of our fingers, we have drawn a peacock. So this was our finger dabbing activity for today. So you can also try this at home, children. Okay. Thank you so much. Take care and bye-bye.